Explanation. Article 329(2) Interference by courts in electoral matters. It has two clauses, A and B. 1. 329(a). The validity of any law about delimitation of constituencies, fixing boundaries of constituencies, or allotment of seats made under Article 327, Parliament, or Article 328, State Legislature, cannot be challenged in any court. In short, once delimitation is done, courts cannot question it. 2. 329(b). No election to Parliament or a state legislature can be challenged directly in court. It can only be challenged through an election petition filed before the authority specified by law, for example, the High Court under the Representation of the People Act, 1951. Explanation in simple terms. Purpose: to prevent judicial interference in electoral processes while elections are underway. Reason: free and fair elections should not be stopped or delayed by constant court cases. Otherwise, every small issue could block the democratic process. But, after elections are over, election petitions can be filed if someone believes the election was unfair or invalid. Judicial interpretation. The Supreme Court has consistently held that courts cannot intervene once the election process has started, from the date of notification to the declaration of results. Example, in N.P. Ponuswamy v. Returning Officer, 1952, the SC ruled that challenges must wait until after elections, through election petitions. In short, 329, you can't challenge laws on delimitation or seat allocation in court. 329, you can't challenge ongoing elections in court only through an election petition after results. Thus, Article 329 ensures elections happen smoothly, without court interference, but still allows for post-election remedies. The Constitution of India. Part 15. Elections. Article 329. Bar 2 Interference by courts in electoral matters. Notwithstanding anything in this Constitution. A. The validity of any law relating to the delimitation of constituencies or the allotment of seats to such constituencies, made or purporting to be made under Article 327 or Article 328, shall not be called in question in any court. B. No election to either House of Parliament or to the House or either House of the Legislature of a state shall be called in question except by an election petition presented to such authority and in such manner as may be provided for by or under any law made by the appropriate legislature.